Hey everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video for you today of one of the accessories I got delivered recently, and that's an Nespresso View Cube. Now this is made of plexiglass, so it's not, don't be worried, I think plexiglass might actually be classed as glass, I'm not 100%, but it's not, it's more of a toughened plastic. And it's like shattered, not very easy to shatter. And the dimensions of it are 12.8 by 12.8 by 12.5 centimetres. Important to know, it doesn't come with any capsules in it, you have to buy those yourself. So let's get it open and see what it looks like. I've already got one dispenser, a different type of one, but I've reviewed on this channel recently, but this one, I just thought it might be good either here, or if I get a machine for the bedroom at some point. So this is the View Cube, just to repeat that. And it's got a lid on it, it lifts up, that way around. It lifts up, take the booklet out. And the capsules popping out, say 50 capsules. I've got a few here. I'll just pour some in, there isn't 50, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like with the original capsules in. That's sort of what it'll look like. I was a bit worried when I first saw this, which is why I went for the Pure Rock dispenser, that I might not be able to get my hands in properly to be able to grab the capsule that I see. You know, if there's one at the bottom, will I be able to get to it? But actually, there's plenty of room, and my hands are quite big, so there's plenty of room in there to get any capsule you want. And there's not a lot of information on the Nespresso website though as to Vertuo capsules and how many of those it holds. So I'll just pour these back out, and we'll pop a few Vertuo ones in, and we'll see how many it holds. It's not an exact science though with the Vertuo ones, because they're all different sizes, aren't they, depending on whether it's an espresso or a mug. So we'll just pop a few in though randomly and see where we come up. I'm using mostly mug size ones because they're the average size capsules, aren't they, really? So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 10 in there so far, and there's still plenty of room, isn't there? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so 17 in there. And I think that's probably about the limit, isn't it? You might fit a few more in if they're just espresso based ones, because they're smaller. It still sits nicely and it looks quite good. Quite like the look of that, and I'm pleased there's enough room in there to get your hand around and really be able to get the capsule that you're looking for. A bit more difficult with the Vertuo, but you can still do it, just. So yeah, that's the View Cube from Nespresso. Yeah, so it does fit, that's about roughly 17 in there. View Cube from Nespresso, I think it was, I'm trying to think how much it was now on the website, I'll just see if I can quickly see. £22, and I remember there's actually a special limited edition if it hasn't gone out of stock, where there's one that's got like mirrored glass on the inside as well. That's, I think it's the same price at 22. And obviously if you're an expert member or an ambassador member, then you'll get 20% off that. So £4.40 off it, isn't it? So I hope you found that video useful. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out that other dispenser review we've got of the Pure Rock one. And I'll actually be doing a video where I put those two side by side and show the differences in them. And you can decide whether the Pure Rock is worth paying that little bit of extra money for as opposed to the View Cube. But thanks for watching, and bye for now.